I'm actually quite excited about the state of gene therapy internationally, realizing that we are confronted with some difficult times right now, but having been on a 40-year journey, I really think that the progress of the science and a lot of the work done by key stakeholders has been spectacular.
Oh, it's been a great morning, really exciting keynote talk, and I've enjoyed the follow-up session on CMC as well.
I think Spark and now Roche Genentech, I think they've sponsored this over the last few years, have found it to be a really great conference meeting. A lot of great topics from CMC to research, cell and gene therapy, a nice variety there, as well as the business piece. And I'd also say that Spark particularly had a strong advocate for the Philly region, to be able to support local meetings like this, I think was really important to Spark and Roche.
It's been excellent so far. I mean, we have a nice cross-section of folks from industry and academia, and a large number of participants, and also some of the world leaders in the field. We're lucky geographically that many of them are here, and that I think really elevates the conversations. So it's off to a great start.
I think this is a great event. I think I really appreciate all the volunteers and for organizing this great event. This for the gene therapy, I do think we need more communications. I'm always supportive to such a conference, such opportunities to work with other people.
Really come up with new cures, and so the more the communication, the more networking people do, hopefully ends up a better outcome.
So what I find super exciting is seeing how the impact of AI is going to play out in things like drug discovery, in things like cell and gene therapy. So, is there, is that going to help accelerate finding cures to these rare diseases? And so I'm really excited to see, how AI will help impact that.
I've lived in about maybe 6 or 7 states around the country, and the states where I've done research, Philadelphia is the most collaborative, easiest state for me to get research done. I think our ecosystem here is so accessible, so approachable, so collaborative. It just allowed me to advance my research much faster.
SAPA-GP has been doing very well, especially bridging U.S. company and also China, because some U.S. company, they really wanted to do business in China. So you guys, or this team has played a very important role to help both country, pharmaceutical industry, especially for this conference, cell and gene therapy conference, is really, I see a lot of attendees today, about 500, right?
Yes, that's right.
It's very large,
yeah.
Very large. I think probably one of the largest conference for this special research area.
It's a great forum. It's a great conference. It brings together not only professionals, but also students and people who are trying to make a network. So it's absolutely amazing to continue this kind of biotech environment.
Well,
I'll say the audience has been extremely friendly. I got here this morning and so many people walked up who didn't see me yesterday and asked me who I was. The questions after the session were terrific, and people really want to connect and really are trying to leverage not just the science, but think about how to get these products to patients. So really great conference.
I very much enjoy it. I'm not technically in the field, even though the vaccine development has shared a lot of common modalities from mRNA to viral vectors. For me, this is a fantastic conference. I learned a lot, both for the field, but also I think the SAPA-GP has even the professional development, all the different sessions. It's a fantastic conference so far.